That is sharp. I am thoroughly impressed. All right, first look at the Chef's Choice Trizor 1515. And I am going to start with our Henkel paring knife, the most overused knife we have in this household. And to show y'all, cannot cut paper whatsoever. And if you fold the paper in half, same thing, doesn't do nothing. So I'm gonna run it through the knife sharpener and see what happens. All right, after reading the directions, basically for the stage 1 on the left side here, 20 pulls per side, 3 to 4 seconds for a 5-inch blade. And then you move to stage 2, 1 to 2 pulls at 3 seconds. And stage 3, which is the honing stage, 2 parts, 3 pulls at 3 to 4 seconds, and then 2 pulls at 1 second. So there we go. See how this works. All right, just finished pulling the paring knife through stage 1, 20 sides, or 20 times per side. And the directions say you're looking for a burr. The knife's not really focusing. There we go, it's a little better. The directions also tell you to check for a burr by sliding your finger away from the blade. One side will be noticeably rough, which is that side, and the other side of the blade should be smooth, which this side is. So stage 1 seems to work. Let's move on to stage 2. So we'll do 1 to 2 pulls per side at 3 seconds. And the directions for honing in stage 2, after you make 1 to 2 pairs of pulls at 3 seconds each, it tells you to check for a burr before proceeding to stage 3. So same thing as before. This is the left side of the knife. Actually, that's the right side. That's smooth. And the left side, we have a nice burr throughout. So we're gonna move on to stage 3, which stage 3, 2 parts. First part, 3 pulls at 3 to 4 seconds, and then 2 pulls at 1 second. Do 2 quick pulls. All right, that does it. Okay, here's the true test. Sharpened our paring knife. Jennifer's standing over my shoulder and she seems pretty impressed that we have a sharp knife. This is something else I saw. It says magazine paper, but I don't know. We'll see if it works. I'd say this knife sharpener actually works. I'm equally impressed. Holy smokes, we have a sharp paring knife for the first time in probably a few years. That is sharp. I am thoroughly impressed that we actually have a sharp knife. Check that out. All right. Well, that works.